Hello! Okay, today I present to you a little summer salad with cucumbers, yes. It's so fresh and delicious and easy to make. So, let's go with me. Okay, mix a little. Okay, it's good for me. I come back. Hey Kitty!
Hi Solange! Ah, that's it. You're back home?
Oh yes, finally. The building works are done and it feels so good to sleep in hot bed.
Ah, I can imagine you.
You and me in my bed?
Haha, very funny. Here's something to keep you entertained, I suppose.
Plus, we would have enough fun.
Have fun. Alone. Bye Solange.
Bye Kitty! It was Kitty, yes. So, I have a new package. Oh, green. Oh, a cucumber. Okay, so, unboxing today. I could do a lot of things with this